Chain alchemy, when you rise from the deep. Futures locked down, secrets we keep. Market shaking, hear the 808 creep. All in power, while others just sleep.
Good day, everyone. So I guess this video will be a tutorial for trading strategy that I use, and if you have any issues with trading, with risk management, watch this video because I bet it will help you. So this video is mostly will be for new people in the market. People are coming back in right now, people are watching, people are learning. So this video will be about risk management. So basically I want to talk about I am doing and what can you do too. So for example, let's say that you have $1,000. Yes, $1,000 and you want to trade. So you take that $1,000, you don't trade with $500. You don't trade with $300. It's too much. Because if you lose that money, you will be out of practically the game. So if you use $500 and you lose $500, you will have one more try to with that position size. Yes, so we don't want that. We want a good risk to reward ratio. So for example, what I am doing with $1,000, I use 2.5% of my whole portfolio that I want to risk. Yes, so I'm risking 2.5%. So 2.5% from $1,000 is $25. So my stop loss, yes, the margin that I'm willing to lose, my stop loss, will be at $25. So I'm gonna lose $25. Risk to reward ratio. Yes, so I'm risking $25 and mainly doing 1 to 2 risk to reward. So for example, if I'm losing $25, on the other side, I can win $50. So my risk to reward ratio would be 1 to 2. So if the trade goes up, I'm willing to lose the $25. But if the trade goes down and I take the trade, I'm winning $50. So that's what I mean. So for example, if I even won, I won. This is an example. This is an example from my $1,000 challenge. Yeah, that BitUnix gave me. So I am winning $50. I won here $50. Yes, I'm in profit of $100. Here I lost, and here I lost. Yes, so 2 wins, 2 losses. But what's happening here? So here I have $50 win. Here I have $50 win. So, and right now I have 25 loss and I have 25 loss. What's the calculations are coming to? So I want to say that even if you're wrong, you won't lose that much. Your percentages to win are higher, like right now. Yes, with these 2 lost trades, I only lost profits from 1 trade. Right now I have this trade, the profits from this trade. Yes, so right now this is also a trade that I did. This is a bounce from my pitchfork, and again, this was an even bigger win because this is a 2.7 R for my risk to reward. So I won even higher because I was convinced that the price will go lower, and this is the result. So I won a lot more than I lost here. With next trades, this is also the same thing. So if you have any question, guys, on the risk management, go into my Discord. It's free, and talk to me there. Ask questions. Feel free to do that. I will be more than willing to help you out to grow and for you to learn how to trade like a pro. This is simple. It's simple maths. You just make your percentages to win higher. You're not losing anything. For example, if I was trading with 2.5%, I lost every trade of the $1,000. If I would lose every trade from the $1,000, I still would have quite a lot of tries. I would say quite a lot of tries, like 40 tries. What? Yeah, so 40 tries to make it right. And even from 40 tries, you would still win a lot more than you would lose. Because even with 50-50 win to lose ratios, you are still winning. Look, this was the 50-50. Yeah, I won 2, I lost 2, but I'm still winning. It's easy. Just try it out, have a go at it, and let me know how you do. So this was the risk management video. Guys, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe the video, and join our free channels. So Discord, Telegram, and watch the news. What's going on? Thank you, guys. See you later. Bye-bye.
The ledger glows, a digital frost. Our algorithms never lost. Chain alchemy, the name they fear. Dominance is drawing near.